So 3 years ago, I tested out a few legit checking apps in this video here. And legit apps stood out to me as very accurate and fast, but let's see if they can still do it. So here we have a real pair of Travis reverse mochas, and then a fake pair of the Travis Canaries. And I'm going to test them to see if they get them both right. Will they get this one real? Will they get this one fake? So they've actually reached out to me to do this test and are actually sponsoring this video. However, that will have absolutely no outcome on the result. If they get it wrong, I'm going to post that they get it wrong. So whether you're a collector, a reseller, or you just like sneakers, this app is designed to help you authenticate your pair to make sure you're getting the real deal. So these ones here are real, these ones here are fake. Will they get it right? So let's get straight into the test and check if they can get both pairs correct. And I must emphasize, if they get it wrong, I will post about it. So moving the shoes to the side, there's actually a number of different authentication methods that you can use on their platform. And the one we're going to use today is the Kicks tag. So they kindly sent me, well, quite a lot of Kicks tags, maybe a little bit too many. So I've got a lot of Kicks tags. So this means we can authenticate as many as we pretty much want to with all of these Kicks tags. So I'll put one on each pair and we can test it out. So here's a run through quickly of all the steps that you need to take when you get your Kicks tag. So you attach it to the shoe, scan it in the app, then they do the pictures on the app as well. So you take photos of all parts of the shoe, and then they'll do the authentication through AI and through a person. So I'm gonna pick a random 2 Kicks tags. Let's pick these 2 here. One will go on the real one and one will go on the fake one. So I'll attach it to the fake one here just through the lace hole, like so. Attach it through this little cable. And then, oh, that's not coming off. Yeah, you're definitely not getting that off. So I'll put that over here, and then I'll attach this one to the authentic pair on this side, through the lace hole once again, slide it through. So as you can see, the Kicks tag is attached to the shoe now, and it is definitely not coming off. And then I'll scan this tag, so it has a QR code on one side, and we'll scan it in the app, take a few photos, and we'll see if they get it right. I'm a little bit worried because obviously this video is sponsored, but I promise to the viewers, I will not lie to you. If they get it wrong, that's on them, that's on their platform. I'll always do an honest review. So we'll take a few photos of these, and we'll take a few photos of these, and we'll get the results very soon. So this is the legit app here. You can see some past authentications down below where some haven't passed and some have passed. I'm just gonna click start, and I'm gonna start on my sneakers here. Which one should we do first? Should we do the fake ones or should we do the real ones? Let's do the fake ones first, see if they get them right straight away. So obviously they have a lot of brands on their platform. You can pretty much authenticate every single sneaker that you want to. I'm gonna select Air Jordan because this is technically a Jordan 1, it's just a Travis collaboration. So click Jordan 1. As you can see, tokens balance there. I've already bought my own balance, but I'm actually gonna start with a Kicks tag. So I'll click the top right here. Gonna scan this Kicks tag right here, as you can see. Let me just scan it. If it would focus. There we go. So then you're meant to attach it, but I've already actually attached it, so it's not coming off. Then we're going to start and take some photos. So I can get this done in under 10 minutes for 5 tokens. So I'm just going to try that to get the results as quickly as possible. You can see the photo instructions down below. I've selected it's got no box because the fake ones didn't come with any box. And then we're going to go through all this and we're going to try and see if they get it right. So if you scroll down to the required photos, you can see the types of photos that you need to take. So the first one, exterior outer right. So I'll do that here for this one right here. Always make sure the photos are really clear because it just makes it as easy to authenticate as possible. So that's the outer right. You click next, interior right, outsole of the right pair, as you can see. Inner stitching, they are very detailed with their photos. You can click retake if you want to retake, so that one was a little bit blurry, so I'm trying to retake it. So it does give you an example in the top corner, as you can see, where you need to take a photo. Then I'm just going to take some extra photos of the left one as well. And then I'm going to leave some of the photos blank, just to give them a little bit of a challenge. So we'll just continue and we'll get it done. Confirm to pay. And then you can check the status. So you can see all my images down below, and it says it'll take under 10 minutes, so we will find out when we get the result. So while we wait for that one, let's test out the real pair. So this is the authentic pair. This was purchased a long time ago, 100% authentic. Got the Kicks tag attached to it. So while we're waiting on the other one, we'll just do this one. So that one says it'll take 10 minutes or under 10 minutes. Let's do this one. So we'll start straight away. Sneakers. Obviously this is Air Jordan once again. Jordan 1. And 10 minutes once again. And then I have the box this time, so I'll take photos with the box. But we'll scroll down and you can click the exact same photos again. So we'll do exterior of the outside of this one again. So like so. As you can see there. the heel, stitching on the inside, label from the front, probably get the Cactus Jack symbol in as well. You can see here, it's meant to have a box stamp. Oh yeah, you can see the box stamp now, so just take a photo of that. Save all of them, and then we'll submit it. Once again, I'll take a few of the left shoe, but not too many, just to give it a little bit more of a chance. I'll keep the laces in front, just to give it a bit of a challenge. We'll just finish it off with the heel here. Then we'll go to the bottom, click continue. Well, turns out I don't actually have any money, so you can see I haven't been given any tokens for this, so I will have to buy some more tokens. Right, then we'll scroll to the bottom, click continue this time, confirm to pay. Sweet, that one has been done as well. So we have both the real and the fake one done. And look at that, we've already got the fake ones back. So they've been shown as being replica, as you can see there. That's pretty good. They did that so fast. That was well under 10 minutes. So I can promise you, they know how to authenticate this pair here. So this one has now come back as fake. So I believe if I now scan this, I can then check. So let me just check that. My camera on this QR code here, tap the Legit app, it'll take me to the case, and there you can see, look at that, fake. So now this cannot be taken off. If anyone tries to sell that, you'll know it's fake. So this is pretty much, if you cut it off, you'll have to do the authentication again. So they got that one correct, so well done to them. Let's see if they got the real pair correct. Currently in progress with all the photos. The last one took about 3 minutes, so we'll give this on a little bit of time. But yeah, that's very impressive. I'd say the Kix tag's very useful if you have an authentic pair, because then you can't take this off. You know it's always authentic. So if you are trying to collect or sell them at a later date, this Kix tag authenticates it for a long time. So you can obviously see, if I went to sell these, I can show them, they can scan that and they can check for themselves. Just adds that little bit more reassurance to your pair, making sure it is the real deal. So within 2 minutes, they've come back and said additional photos are required. So let me just check. These are the extra photos that the app is required, so I will submit them now and we'll just test again. So I've pretty much shown the most vital step is to make sure you get your photos correct. There are so many times that I've seen authentications or I've been asked to authenticate a pair and all I've been sent is the blurriest photo you could ever imagine, or it's from a million miles away and you can barely see the shoe. So always make sure that the vital steps, taking the photos, are all clear, you've got good lighting, and it makes it as easy as simple for the authenticator to authenticate your pair as quickly as possible. So while that's in progress, what I do like about the Legit app is the speed in which it does its authentications. You've got multiple options. You've got 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or even longer. But that is essential when you're buying a pair of sneakers. You may be selling or buying a pair of sneakers on the side of a road, or just a quick deal at a local sneaker con or something like that. You need to make sure that pair is authentic really, really fast. And that's where Legit app comes in play. If you don't have the speed to do authentication, it's just not going to work. And Legit app, as you've seen from the first one for this pair, it is extremely fast. So as you can see, you get real life updates on your authentication. So I can see that one person has already given an authentication result on this pair, just waiting on a second person, and then it will also go through their AI system. So you can make sure that it's double checked, triple checked, and make sure that you have your proper authentication. It's not just done by one guy guessing if it's real or fake. It's actually gone through 2 people and AI to make sure yours is the real deal. So this is the bit we've all been waiting for. Got the results back. Took about 6 minutes, not too bad. They've come back authentic. And I'm kind of relieved by this, because it would have been a very awkward video, as it's sponsored by them, if they'd got that wrong. So they got both pairs correct. I'm very impressed. But not only is it great to see that they got both pairs correct, it actually brings out another layer of trust that you can use this platform if you ever want to sell a pair, or I want to sell a pair down the line. And that means that when I come to sell this pair, which could be pretty soon because the price is going so high, that I can show them that is another layer of authenticity, as well as me knowing that they are 100% authentic. Because it's sometimes hard to prove if you lose the receipt, where you bought them, and there are a lot of people out there who can be a bit misleading. Obviously, if you do cut this off, however, it voids the authentication, because you can't just pick this off and put it on another pair of shoes. It is pretty much securely attached, and you're never really going to get that off. So when you scan this, you can go and get a digital certificate to show that your pair is authentic. You can hang this on your wall if you want. I wouldn't do that if I were you. So like I said, that is the end of the video. This one came back authentic, this one came back fake, so they got both correct. I'm actually surprised but also relieved, because I would have hated to upload this after being sponsored by them and show that they couldn't do the job, so it's great to see that they can. However, it does make me more tempted to try and test them to see if they get any pairs wrong in the future, so I might be back to test them again. Legit app makes it easy to authenticate your products. They not only do sneakers, but they do luxury goods such as handbags and different things like that. So you can download the app and make sure that your whole collection is authentic. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will maybe do another test very soon. But thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. And thank God they got that right, because it would have been really awkward.